Now, when it comes to AMC stock, we have got a lot to look forward to right now. I know that everybody's discouraged with the price, but the overall market has been dropping wildly since November. And, we do know that AMC was trading above its fundamental value. Therefore, it was willing to drop along with the overall market. And yes, to answer the question, apes are still holding. And yes, the AMC stock short squeeze is absolutely not only a possibility, but looking much better now than it ever has in the past. So I want to talk about some of these reasons because, look, we've got a very big week coming up ahead of us. We've got earnings on Monday, and we've got one of the best movie releases of the last couple of years happening over this weekend right now. Doctor Strange is bringing in some wild numbers for AMC and for the just box office debut, both globally and domestically. So we're going to talk about it, and if it sounds like something you're interested in, let's get started. What's up, everybody? I'm Clay. I'm here to make 2022 the best year ever. If you haven't clicked that subscribe button, make sure to subscribe to the channel. Join us. Become a bro. We are here every single day, and we are growing our portfolios together. And look, if you're brand new to investing, you don't know how or where to buy stocks and crypto, you got a link in the description below for Webull. It is super simple to set up your account. Any deposit gets you guys 5 free stocks. Any $1 crypto trade, $5 in free crypto. And of course, you got crypto exclusive exchanges down there as well, each with their own rewards. But guys, let's talk Doctor Strange, and let's talk, some of these short squeeze numbers and why we are doing not better now than we ever have been in the past, although the price isn't necessarily reflecting it. Guys, Doctor Strange, okay, it opened up Friday with a $90 million debut domestically. That is huge. Next day brought in, I believe, another $50 million on Saturday, 53 or 55 million. And as of this morning, Disney is expecting the weekend release to have brought in $185 million. Now, that is even more conservative than a lot of the other analyst estimates that are out there, bringing in or estimating that it brings in between $195 and $205 million. These are domestic numbers. Okay, if we go global, they're estimating that Doctor Strange is bringing in $400+ million in its opening weekend. Now, this does a lot. This says a lot, not only for movies, not only for the theater industry, but for AMC as well. And I want to talk about what it says for AMC and the entire global economy, really, because with talks of a recession looming out there, with talks that people are spending less and less and less, and then they're going to the movies in record numbers, something just doesn't add up, right? I know we've got talks of inflation and interest rates rising and the Fed trying to put the U.S. into a recession here so that they can handle inflation and all of that kind of stuff that's going on. But when people are spending record amounts on entertainment, that says a lot, okay? That one says that they're doing pretty well financially, that they're willing to spend their money on entertainment. Not rent, not food, not making sure that their bills are paid and getting their utilities and all of that. It means they're willing to spend on entertainment. I mean, as simple as that, guys. The economy is still doing very well when people are going to watch Doctor Strange in the multiverse in record numbers. So that's in a macroeconomic viewpoint. Look, let's bring it back down to AMC. Okay, AMC during their last earnings call and in their last earnings report, they made it very clear that AMC needs to increase AMC Entertainment as a company, not like just the stock or anything, but they made it very clear that AMC Entertainment needs to increase revenue. If they do not increase revenue at roughly a 2x pace from where we were in 2021, and raise it at a 2x pace throughout 2022, then there's a very high likelihood that they would need additional capital. Now, how do they get that? Well, not by doing their business, and not by running a business and getting people to go to movie theaters. It's by diluting shareholders. And we do not want to see any additional authorized shares on AMC Entertainment. There's already over 500 million that's outstanding right now. AMC, they're sitting on over $1.6 billion in cash. They're buying new theaters up. They do have these debt obligations that are out there, but AMC Entertainment doesn't seem terribly interested in paying down those debt obligations. They're going on the offensive. They're trying to buy in new theaters. They're trying to increase that revenue. And that is exactly what we are seeing in Doctor Strange. We are seeing a people willing to go to the movie theater in record numbers. And that is inspiring for AMC Entertainment. So the best that I can hope for, before we start to talk about the implications on price and AMC stock price, the best that I can hope for is an acknowledgement of this, an acknowledgement of, movies like Batman and Top Gun and Doctor Strange, these numbers that Doctor Strange is doing tomorrow when Adam Aaron takes the earnings call. If Adam Aaron comes on the phone tomorrow and says that revenue is growing at an expected rate, or revenue is growing above expectations, this is going to be huge. This is going to indicate that there's very low likelihood, unless of course they're greedy, which they might be. Hands up on that one, because they might be. But if revenue is growing as expected, and they expected it to grow at that 2x pace in order to continue running their business, that is going to be beautiful music to investors' ears. So I'm hoping for a little bit of recognition of what's going on with these numbers in Doctor Strange during the AMC Entertainment earnings call tomorrow. I do hope that we get it, but more than that, we're looking at a stock price that has been beaten down. We're looking at discouraged investors. We're looking at the short interest numbers that have not changed. That indicates that shorts are not covering. And they're not necessarily taking out new shares, right? So they have the same amount of shares outstanding. They're more enticed to be willing to cover at these lower prices because it's not going to cost them as much. We have AMC apes buying up more shares on a daily basis. We have, the potential. Here's the beautiful thing about AMC. Right? Everybody gets discouraged because the price has been coming down since June of 2021. But if you just go back and take a look at the stock price and the chart, you can see that at the end of May, AMC Entertainment ran from $12 to $72, I believe, in a 6-day time frame. Now, running from 12 to 72 in 6 days should be encouraging to everybody out there who's been running the numbers and thinking, oh my gosh, AMC, it's got to go up 200, 300, 400% before I'm able to break even or before I'm able to make any money. And this is just, it's too much. It's not too much, guys. It's done it in the past. Everybody who was on board then for a squeeze, right? Not necessarily for a retail pump. For a squeeze should still be on now. And the excitement should still be the same because AMC has such better numbers now than they ever did back then. I want to know what you guys think, though, with the Doctor Strange numbers and the earnings call tomorrow for AMC. What are your guys' expectations? Do you expect Adam Aaron to mention it? Because I share my expectations with you. Let me share your expectations with me, and let us know in the comments below what you guys expect to see at the AMC earnings call tomorrow. This button right here is still red. You guys know what to do. Click it, subscribe to the channel, join us, become a bro. We are here every single day, and we are growing our portfolios together. ClayBro883 on Twitter and Instagram. We will Binance, Crypto.com. And until the next time, hope that each and every one of you have an awesome day.